Oh, these are Otis.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good.
Oh, you want to come up this one?
I'm coming with you.
What floor?
50, please.
I got you. I just like to film elevators.
Go for it. Film these every time you come up here.
How fast these go? Oh shit, these go 1,000. Delivering all the groceries? Nice.
Trying to just to anything that's
Yeah.
refrigerator and stuff.
Oh,
People
I
got kids and they leave it down there for
for
quite a time, so it's getting high.
So
I
hot
got you.
outside.
It's funny, I do DoorDash usually when I deliver. People come right down to the lobby of the building and get it from me.
Not all the time. I mean, most of them, but not all the time.
I got
See
you.
guys.
Take care, man.
When you get onto that elevator, it's really loud and nice.
Sounds good. I wonder what these used to be before they were Otis.
What is it? Ronan told me what it was. I don't remember.
Going down.
I don't know.
Get a cat here. So these are Schindler Hot and OMG.
I don't think they have that big bush sound anymore. Let's see. They kind of do. It was a lot more louder.
We can go to lobby.
It was a lot more louder back then.
For maintenance. 26
When the floor is
going down.
When the imposter is sus. These are like early Schindlers.
holy shit.
Easy. GG, easy.
Easy.
I'm gonna look up when this place was built. Oh, these don't have the logo on the door. Well, let's go back up. You coming up? Let's go to 26. What the fuck?
Are we going? I don't think
That was spooky.
half scary.
Does this have the logo on it? Oh, it does.
Are you guys getting out?
We're getting back in. We're going to the lobby.
It went down for some reason.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's a Schindler logo on the door. That's weird.
That's 32 for me, please.
Yeah.
You got it. Why the hell is 26 pressed?
Oh, I pressed it.
You did.
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
No worries.
Lobby.
Take care.
All right, you too.